Alright, me and my brother are at Adanac right now. And we're just walking up one of the hills at Adanac ski hill right now. There's some guys down there, they're having a big party. They're all in like a hot tub and they're just like chilling and vibing, watching the hockey game or basketball game or whatever. We're just hiking up this mountain. One of them at least. Or we should go up there, but it's kind of too far, so we're just gonna go this way. My brother's with me. What'd you find? Acorns? I wonder how people are getting that, because every time I see people come down this hill, they have to come down either that one or one up here. So. Yeah, I wonder what that guy was doing up here. He looked fucking nervous as hell when he walked by us.
Hey, he walked the entire hill with that too.
No, I'm just saying. And when he walked down, he looked nervous. Alright, they kind of cut a path here.
Oh, that's how they're doing it.
Or something, I don't know.
Someone drove up here.
Yeah, someone drove up here, but I don't think they were supposed to.
Go.
I'm out of breath already. I don't want to go through all this so tall grass. We here just went up the other way.
This way is fine.
It's all for, I don't want to walk through this.
Stay in the middle.
Bruh. This is also like a really good hiking exercise. Once you're at the top, it's going to be an awesome view. Alright, I'm going to go over here. We're almost there, boys. Are you good? My brother's trying to cricket. Don't know why he's trying to grab it, but I don't ask questions. This is like the second steepest hill at Adanac. What was that? I just heard something in the bush. Like a tree or a branch snap. Hopefully there's no freaking bears up here. That wouldn't be good. Oh my gosh, we're almost at the top, dude. I'm sweating. Why do you still have the damn cricket? Got a picture? Yeah. See, we're pretty high up, as you can tell, but we're going up even higher. So my brother wants to show me a cricket. Cool. Let him go. Hey, bro. A couple of years ago, those big tall things there, my brother used to climb up those. Go a while back, maybe 3-4 years ago. We could go up higher. We're just gonna go here and then we're gonna go down the mountain. Well, look at that view, man. That's crazy. You could see everything. Probably have like 10 ticks on my legs, but you know. We're not gonna go down the. We're not going down the big hill. All right. Well, my brother doesn't want to go down the big hill, so we're gonna go back down the same way we came up. Just let the damn thing go. Ooh, it's a giant dandelion.
Waiting for him to make a sound. It'd be so cool if we can hear him make a sound.
Oh, sheesh.
Oh, but are you going too high, Logan?
Alright. I want to get down this hill before something freaking attacks us. Damn, that boy's steep. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna start heading down. I'm not gonna wait for my brother. I don't know what he's doing. So you guys saw he's in a sling. He fell off a freaking 20-foot building and snapped his arm. He was supposed to get pins in it, but they ended up not doing the surgery, so they gave him a sling. He's got to wear it for 4 months. So you can go watch his video at Ashton Roy's Memories on YouTube. You can go check out his video explaining what happened. Surprised I haven't seen any wildlife yet, like literally surrounded by forest. Not a single thing except for the cricket my brother found. Jiminy cricket. In the wintertime, this place, Adanac, is like a snowboarding and skiing place. I don't know what it's called, but like, you know what I mean. And me and my brother come here in the wintertime and we climb up these hills and go sliding because they don't use like natural snow. They make like a fake snow here, and it's like icy. So you can just slide down on your butt or your stomach or whatever, and you go so fast down the whole hill. What was that? What the hell? That could have been a bird. Heard another freaking like leaf branch snap. Ashton, hurry up, man. Freaking taking forever, right? My legs are killing me. Also, if you guys are like in the Sudbury area and want to come to Adanac, you guys can go to the Valet Chalet down there, that red building, and they have free Wi-Fi. So it's kind of nice to just come here and use their Wi-Fi. Still waiting for my brother, way up there somewhere. There's a bunch of people partying down there. In the house, they got like a huge hot tub and they're just vibing. That's the other hill there, but it's really grown in. You can't see how steep it is on camera, but it's actually pretty steep. Same with this, so this hill here is like super steep. Bro, what is this dude doing? Whatever, I'm just trying to go down. It's taking too long. Hopefully nothing happened to him. Sorry if you guys see that little black dot on the screen. My camera broke. So, that's the thing. Alright. Almost at the bottom. It's like very grown in everywhere. The only path you can walk up is where the quads or trucks or tractors drive up here and leave behind like these tracks here. There's no grass or flowers. Finally, bro. Hurry up. Alright. Yeah. Damn, dude. These guys must not care about COVID. There's probably about 20, 30 people partying all together with no masks on. And there's COVID. I mean, they could have their vaccines, but still. The new variant of COVID is out and it's a lot more contagious. So they shouldn't be having big gatherings like this. But it do be looking kind of fun. My dad knows this dude. But yeah. I don't know what these guys are doing. But they have like a pool table in their backyard, a hot tub, flat screen TV, a big gazebo, campfire, a pool. They're like barbecuing too. Something smells good. Must be making hamburgers or hot dogs. Probably gonna get copyrighted because of music that they're playing, but whatever. Alright, and we are at the end. Brother's being a slowpoke as always, but I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed us walking up a mountain. Wasn't that exciting, but this was my first video back since a year. This is the first one I'm gonna upload since a year's gone by, so you know, felt good to make another video. So one big look at Adanac, that's the main hill. Second hill. And yeah, boys, hope you enjoy. See ya.